All right, we are back. It is Friday, so we're a little bit punchy. Looking forward to what sounds like it will be more of a good weekend than anything else.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
it's a timing issue, that's all.
The timing on Father's Day may actually be a problem for a lot of, like, Father's Day, you think of, like, okay, dads are going to be either golfing or barbecuing.
Yeah.
All outdoor activities.
It's all outdoor, and it's usually like an afternoon thing, and that's probably when there could be, a downpour that bubbles up out of nowhere kind of thing.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, though, there's Pride Parade in Portland.
That's right.
And I think that's fine. It probably isn't that sunny, but there'll be a little bit of sun, and the temperatures will be comfortable. So
more comfortable for walking.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yesterday wasn't good for really anything outside because of all of those thunderstorms that ripped through the Northeast. There were a lot of reports, especially over in New Hampshire and Vermont and upstate New York, but there were several here in Maine. We had a lot of rain up in the mountains, over 2 inches there. In Denmark, clumps of trees were brought down, and they brought down lines and were blocking roads, and took a little while to clean things up. A lot of reports of tree damage in the greater Bangor area, including Eddington. In the evening around 6 o'clock, trees were blocking Route 9, which obviously is a well-traveled road, so that was an issue. We're probably still in cleanup mode in a few communities, but in general, things are a lot better, and the weather's cooperating now. Sprinkles mountains, sprinkles up north. Everyone else is dry this morning, with very comfortable temperatures. A lot of us are in the lower 60s. It's still a little muggy, but a breeze out of the west will take care of that through the day. It'll be dropping humidity levels. This low is now to our north. The front's off the coast. There is a dotted line up here, this trough, which is going to sit over Maine this weekend, and that's what could aid in a brief shower in the afternoons, and again, especially on Sunday. I think that's the highest chance for any showers. Clear and bright for many of us this morning. Quieter out there, real comfortable too. Midday, the breeze will be very noticeable, and it'll be dropping the humidity, so it'll feel better as the day progresses. It's still going to be quite warm, especially for the coastline. The coastline gets warmest today, very close to 80 degrees in Portland. Up north, there'll be more cloud cover. To the south and closer to the coast, more sunshine, and that's how it'll play out this evening too. Clear skies for a lot of us this evening, but up north, I can't rule out a stray shower that sort of pops up. High, Portland, 80. Beaches of York County, 80 degrees. The breeze is going to be the only problem if you're going to the beach. It might kick up the sand a little bit. Upper 70s over the interior for Lewiston, Augusta. Bangor hits 78. And then coolish up in the mountains this afternoon. The feel will be upper 60s to around 70. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, spotty shower. Sunday, same thing with a few more showers. And then we'll see if we get back into some steady rain Monday afternoon and Monday night. This low will make a run at us here in New England, so we'll be checking on that. Let's go over the weekend timeline. This is 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. There's a little bit of sun near the coastline, clouds over the interior, and just some spotty sprinkles, nothing major. On Sunday, we start out with some sunshine, but look what happens in the afternoon. Yeah, a lot more activity, and there may even be some rumbles of thunder with some tiny hail that falls in the afternoon, too. Nothing severe like we had yesterday, though. Small crafts, seas 2 to 4 feet, southwest wind 15 to 25 knots. A lot of sunshine, breezy, warm, high around 80 for the coastline, and a little bit more cloud cover over the interior, 70s there. Low to mid 70s on both Saturday and Sunday, a little bit of sun on both days, and the chance for an afternoon shower. Monday afternoon and night, rain looks likely at this point, and then the weather improves for the middle of next week with sunshine returning. And the temperatures, they stay near or above average, which this time of the year 75.
Okay.
And that'll be summer, by the way. Summer arrives Sunday morning, really early.
Which I totally forgot about.
Yeah,
So soon.
I know there's so much going on with the Pride Parade, with Father's Day, and then you have the summer solstice. I think it's 4 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. It's really, really early.
Not that it really matters.
No,
Yeah.
no, it doesn't. It doesn't.